This photo was taken at Marty Shukert's wedding in 1973, and that's Judge Merrick Garland right there. You can see him in the pink ruffles, a member of the wedding party. While Shukert's work kept him right here in Omaha, he's admired Garland's career out in D.C. and his respect for the law.
It's been crazy. I had a lot of work to do today, and obviously none of it's done.
Less than a week after visiting his cousin in Washington, D.C., Marty Shukert watched like everyone else as he made an emotional acceptance speech.
This is the greatest honor of my life, other than Lynn agreeing to marry me 28 years ago.
To see somebody you know that well up there with the president and vice president in the Rose Garden of the White House, it almost feels dreamlike.
Garland's father and Shukert's mother are siblings. As boys, Shukert says he and Garland became the best of friends and still are today, even though they followed different career paths. Shukert went to Yale, and some of you may remember him as Omaha's planning chief in the 1980s. Garland went to Harvard and practiced law. He led the investigation and prosecution of Oklahoma City bomber Timothy McVeigh. Now, Garland needs to win over Senate Republicans if he wants to be a Supreme Court justice.
For anybody to refer to Merrick Garland as a leftist or an ultra-liberal or something like that is to come from complete ignorance of who Merrick Garland is.
How do you think he'll deal with something like that, with that kind of scrutiny and those kind of labels?
It is completely wrong because Merrick is a moderate, and just as I am, both of us, I think, share very similar political views, and that is that nobody has monopoly on the truth.
Judge Merrick also has another connection to someone pretty well known. He's the second cousin of Iowa's Republican Governor Terry Branstad. Today, chair of the Judiciary Committee, Senator Chuck Grassley, also a Republican from Iowa, reiterated that the Senate will not consider Judge Garland's appointment. Back to you.